This short tutorial will show Mango administrators how to add instructors to their account. To begin, you must go to org.mangolanguages.com. Then you will see this page where you will be able to put your email and your password. If you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Your Password to reset it. Otherwise, you can just log in. When you log in, you'll see various tabs. The one that we're interested in right now is the All Users tab. Now there are two ways that you can add instructors, either one by one or as a mass import. If you only want to add a few instructors, then I suggest that you click on Add User. Then you can click on New Instructor. Here you can add the first name, last name, and email. Though you'll see an option for username, emails are usually used since it allows instructors to reset their password if needed. Once you create the account, the instructor will receive an activation email where they can create their own password. Now let's look how you can import many instructors at once by clicking on Import Users from CSV file. And then you will click Import Instructors. If you're not familiar with a CSV file, it's okay. It's just like an Excel file but saved in a different format. Let me show you what this looks like. Here's an example of what you would be putting together. First, open a new document in Excel and create 3 headings. These must be typed the exact same way you see them on the screen or on the instructions. The first one is labeled first name, the second last name, and the third email. You would have all of this information for all of your instructors that you wish to add. Then you will want to click on File, Save As, and then you'll want to change the format. You will want to change this to comma-separated values. Once you have changed the format, then you can save the document. Now you can upload this to the Mango admin portal. You can do so by clicking on Choose File and selecting it from where you saved it on your computer. Leave this box checked so that all your instructors can receive that activation email. Once you're certain that everything is all set, feel free to click Upload. Once your instructors are added, you will see them in the All Users tab. In the All Users tab, you may also sort by the type of user. For example, if I want to see all the instructors listed, I will click on All Users and click on Instructors. This will allow me to see all of the instructors in my account. You may also click on an instructor and see their activity. For example, we're looking at this user and I can see their information. I can also see the usage history, any assessments taken, and also the groups that they have. This allows you to see the number of groups or classes that your instructor is managing and how many students are in them. You may click on a group name and see the roster in that group.